Hello, today we're gonna download a tool to help us encrypt our files. We're gonna use the Internet Explorer and we type this tool that I like, and the name is Truecrypt, and is the first option. We can go right away on to downloads, and of course they have more information. If you like to read, just get to this site and get all the information you want. I'm using Windows 8, but we're gonna see if it works. So we'll press download and press save here. Okay, so we're gonna run from here, accept the terms, next. So right here you have two options, install and extract. We're gonna use the install option, so we'll go into install, press next, and you have a few options here. For all users, no. To the start menu, yes. I don't need a desktop. And we'll create a system restore point. I'm not gonna do that, because to create a system restore point on Windows 8, I believe it's a little bit different. So we'll press install. Okay, and we'll press finish. Okay, so here we go. I have installed Truecrypt application, and I'm gonna show you how to create a folder and encrypt your files without encrypting the whole volume. Usually this one is to encrypt volumes, but for now we're gonna start the application, and we're gonna go back to computer. And my computer have two hard drives. Well, sorry, no, one hard drive. This one is a partition. So I'm gonna go into this partition and I'm gonna create a folder. Secure files. You can name anything, of course. And that's it. So let's go back. Let's go back to the program. So now we're back on the application. It'll select create a volume. Create encrypted file container, that's your option, is recommended for inexperienced users. We'll press next. And the standard Truecrypt volume, the other ones you can hide the volume, but we're just gonna do the standard. We'll press next. Volume location, so we select the file now. We'll go where we have to create a folder right here, and then we're gonna give it a name. This one's gonna be for pictures, so I'm gonna type pictures. And I press save, and I press next, and these are the types of encryption options. And I'm just gonna, you can do anything, 256 bit and 128 bit block. I'm just gonna go with this AES, and right here too you can press anything. Just gonna do the standard. Press next. Next window is the volume size. How big you want to be that folder, that file, sorry, that you're gonna encrypt. You're gonna add pictures to it, so you know how many pictures you wanna add, how big are the pictures, and all that. For this time, we're just gonna do 2 megabytes. Press 2, and I press next. And here's where you put your password. So my password is short, right? And it's gonna ask you to it will recommend you to do more than 20 characters, but for now we just got very short. And you move your mouse. It's asking you here to move your mouse randomly as possible. We'll create the encryption keys and press format, and that's it. It's done. Okay, so we exit here. Let's find that folder and the file. So we have in this local disk 2 my secure files, and there is my file with 2 megabytes. If I double click on this, it doesn't open. It's gonna ask me what I want to open with, and I have Truecrypt here, so I select that, and now it's already selected, and all I have to do is press mount. Okay, and it's gonna ask me a password for that. Okay, so it opened on a volume S that is on my drive D, and I'm gonna double click here to open, and now I'm inside of my secure file, local disk S. So this is a virtual local disk. It gave it a name S, local disk, that's inside my drive D, and see, you can see it right here too. It's a virtual disk. So now I can add pictures to this virtual disk, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna find some pictures, and I have my pictures here, and let's try with this picture. I'm just gonna click and drag into it. I wanna copy without this properties, sure. So there you go, and I'm gonna close. You can add more pictures, of course. So now double click, and I'm gonna view my picture. Okay, so we're gonna close this, and to get out and leave it closed, you press dismount all. Okay, so press dismount all, and then you don't see it anymore. Right here, it was on S, and we exit, and here we go again. So I'm gonna close everything, go back to my computer, okay, and find my local disk, secure files, and right here. So I cannot open with anything unless I select Truecrypt. Okay, so that's all. I hope it can be useful.